Hey everyone, welcome back to Facts with AI. Today we're embarking on a cosmic adventure to explore a celestial beacon that has guided humanity for centuries, Polaris, the North Star. From its role as a navigational aid to its fascinating astrophysical properties, Polaris holds a special place in our understanding of the universe. So buckle up, space explorers, as we delve into the mind-blowing facts about Polaris, the North Star. When we gaze up at the night sky and spot Polaris, it seems like a single point of light, right? But the universe loves to play tricks on us. Polaris isn't just one star, but a triple star system. Polaris A, the main act, is a supergiant star about 4,000 times brighter than our own sun. Then there's Polaris B, a smaller companion star orbiting Polaris A. And if that wasn't enough, there's a third star, Polaris AB, even closer to Polaris A. This triple star system is a testament to the incredible diversity and complexity of our universe. Now, let's talk about what makes Polaris so special, its position in the night sky. Polaris sits almost directly above Earth's North Pole, a point in space we call the North Celestial Pole. This unique positioning means that as the Earth spins on its axis, Polaris remains nearly stationary in the sky. This alignment is what makes Polaris the North Star, a title it has held for centuries. As Earth rotates, all the other stars appear to move in arcs across the sky, but Polaris remains practically motionless. This apparent stillness is due to its unique position almost directly above the North Pole. It's like a cosmic anchor, a fixed point in the celestial sphere that has guided humanity for generations. For centuries, this unique position has made Polaris an invaluable tool for navigation. Ancient mariners and explorers used it to traverse the vast and often treacherous oceans. Sailors, explorers, and adventurers have relied on Polaris to find their way across vast oceans and uncharted territories. Its consistent position in the sky provided a reliable reference point. By knowing its position, you can determine your latitude and chart a course. This was especially crucial before the advent of modern navigation tools. Polaris became a beacon of hope and a symbol of direction, guiding humanity across the globe. Its importance in navigation and its role as a steadfast guide in the night sky cannot be overstated. The use of Polaris for navigation dates back thousands of years. Ancient civilizations recognized its significance and incorporated it into their myths, legends, and practical knowledge. The Egyptians aligned their pyramids with remarkable precision using Polaris as a reference point. In ancient Greece, Polaris was associated with the myth of Ursa Minor, the Little Bear. Polynesian navigators used Polaris and other stars to navigate the vast Pacific Ocean, memorizing star patterns and their positions. These stories highlight the profound impact Polaris has had on human history and exploration. Now, let's talk about just how far away this celestial beacon actually is. Polaris is a mind-boggling 433 light-years away from Earth. The light we see from Polaris today actually left the star 433 years ago. It's like looking back in time, witnessing a snapshot of the universe from centuries past. Despite this immense distance, Polaris shines brightly in our night sky. It's a humbling thought, isn't it? This distant star has been guiding us for generations, its light traversing the vastness of space to reach our eyes. But Polaris isn't just a pretty face in the night sky. It's a fascinating astronomical object with unique properties. Polaris is a Cepheid variable star. Cepheid variables are stars that pulsate, expanding and contracting in a regular cycle. As they pulsate, their brightness fluctuates, creating a cosmic heartbeat that astronomers can measure with great precision. There's a direct relationship between a Cepheid variable's pulsation period and its intrinsic brightness. The longer the pulsation period, the brighter the star. This relationship, discovered by astronomer Henrietta Swan-Leavitt, revolutionized our ability to measure distances in space. By observing a Cepheid variable's pulsation period, astronomers could determine its true brightness and calculate its distance. Polaris played a crucial role in helping us unlock the secrets of cosmic distances. Now, I hate to break it to you, but Polaris won't be the North Star forever. It's a bit of a shock, isn't it? We often think of the North Star as a constant, a fixed point in the sky that guides us, but the truth is, Even the stars are subject to change. Earth's axis wobbles very slowly over time, like a spinning top slowing down. This wobble is not something we can see with the naked eye, but it's happening nonetheless. This wobble, called axial precession, causes the north celestial pole to shift over thousands of years. Imagine a slow dance where the Earth's axis traces out a circle in the sky. As a result, different stars take turns being the North Star. It's like a cosmic relay race, with each star holding the baton for a few millennia. Around 3000 BC, the star Thuban in the constellation Draco was the North Star. Ancient civilizations would have looked up and seen Thuban guiding their way. And in about 13,000 years, the star Vega in the constellation Lyra will take over the title. It's fascinating to think about how future generations will have a different North Star. So, while Polaris holds the honor currently, it's just a temporary gig on the cosmic stage. It's a reminder that nothing in the universe is truly permanent. The universe is constantly changing, and even the seemingly eternal North Star is subject to the flow of time. This ever-changing nature of the cosmos is what makes it so intriguing. That's what makes astronomy so fascinating, right? There's always something new to discover. Every night, sky holds secrets waiting to be uncovered, and every star has a story to tell. Now, let's zoom out a bit and talk about Polaris's cosmic neighborhood. Polaris is part of the constellation Ursa Minor, also known as the Little Dipper. Ursa Minor is a small but distinctive constellation shaped like a Little Dipper. Polaris marks the end of the Dipper's handle, making it easy to find in the night sky. According to Greek mythology, Ursa Minor represents Arcas, the son of Zeus, and the nymph Callisto. Zeus placed both Callisto, Ursa Major, and Arcas, Ursa Minor, in the sky as constellations, forever circling the north celestial pole. Next time you spot Polaris, take a moment to trace out the shape of the Little Dipper. Now, our sun might seem pretty impressive, providing light and warmth to our planet, but compared to Polaris, our sun is a cosmic lightweight. Polaris is classified as a yellow supergiant, a star in a late stage of its evolution. It's much larger and more massive than our sun, with a radius about 45 times greater. If you were to replace our sun with Polaris, Earth would be engulfed within its fiery embrace. The other planets wouldn't fare much better either. Polaris's immense size and luminosity would completely alter the structure of our solar system. But don't worry, our sun is in no danger of being replaced anytime soon. It's still got billions of years of life left in it, and it's perfectly suited for supporting life on Earth. Remember how we talked about Polaris being a triple star system? Well, let's take a closer look at Polaris B, the primary star's dance partner. Polaris B is a smaller star that orbits Polaris A at a distance of about 240 billion miles. Even at that distance, Polaris B's gravitational pull influences Polaris A, causing it to wobble slightly. Polaris B is a main sequence star similar to our own sun, but slightly smaller and cooler. So the next time you gaze up at Polaris, remember that you're not just looking at one star, but two, locked in a celestial waltz across the cosmos. Throughout human history, Polaris has held a special place in our collective imagination. This bright star, often referred to as the North Star, has been a guiding light for explorers, sailors, and dreamers alike. Across cultures and continents, this celestial beacon has inspired myths, legends, and a sense of wonder. From the ancient civilizations to modern times, Polaris has been a constant presence in the night sky, a symbol of stability in an ever-changing world. In ancient China, Polaris was known as the Emperor's Star, representing the center of the heavens and the Emperor's role as the celestial ruler. It was believed that the Emperor's fate was intertwined with this star, guiding the destiny of the entire nation. Native American cultures have their own rich traditions associated with Polaris. For many tribes, the North Star is a spiritual symbol, a point of reference in their stories and ceremonies. The Lakota people, for example, call it Wichapi Owanzila, which means star that does not walk. This name reflects the star's fixed position in the sky, a constant guide in their spiritual and daily lives. Inuit mythology tells the story of Nikietsukituk, a hunter who followed a bear, represented by the Big Dipper, into the sky, eventually becoming Polaris. This tale is a testament to the star's significance in their navigation and storytelling traditions. These stories highlight the universal human fascination with the stars and our desire to find meaning and connection in the cosmos. Whether for navigation, spiritual guidance, or simply a sense of wonder, Polaris has been a beacon of hope and inspiration. Polaris has served as a source of inspiration, a navigational aid, and a symbol of hope and constancy for countless generations. Its unwavering presence in the night sky continues to guide and inspire us, reminding us of our place in the vast universe. Well, there you have it, folks. We've journeyed across the cosmos and uncovered some mind-blowing facts about Polaris, the North Star. If you enjoyed this cosmic adventure, be sure to give this video a like, subscribe to Facts with AI for more fascinating explorations of the universe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss an episode. Until next time, keep looking up and never stop questioning the wonders of the cosmos.